because when I got into construction, I would go and ask other contractors to go play golf with me or go do things with me so I could, hey, can I borrow some ideas from you? Can I give you some ideas I have? Let's collaborate. And I would find other contractors I admired on Instagram, message them, ask them to go and collaborate with me. And they would essentially spit in my face and go, "What do you, dude, we're competitors." And
Right.
that's the environment that most people live in, is very closed-minded. I'm a squirrel. There's no way I'm sharing my nuts. I've got to keep these nuts basically for the wintertime. I've got to hoard these, hoard, 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 hoard. And so when I got into real estate and I met this lady who was so loving and giving, I was like, this is the way it should be, because she made a bunch of money. She made a couple $100,000 helping me during those 30 days. And I said, what if everybody looked at life like Bethany did? I'm going to bridge the gap for you. I'm going to set myself up to make a bunch of money, but I'm going to show you a new pathway for success so that not only do I get the financial benefit of you, but I also get the emotional benefit.